All right, guys, we are going to another store. I wanted to kind of do like a budget friendly video. So, wanted to take a look at this Dollar Tree. This is the normal Dollar Tree. I usually go for like gift bags, cards, things like that. I honestly, I don't really look at the body care section, but I wanted to see if we can find any name brands that we can get at the Dollar Tree. Because if you saw my shop with me's at like TJ Maxx, Ross, Target. They have a lot of brand name products there, but I remember when I was younger and I was a single mom, a lot of times I couldn't get that stuff. So I wanted to do a video that's budget friendly so that everybody can enjoy their hygiene and body care products. So let's take a look and see what we find inside of Dollar Tree. All right, so we are headed. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people swear by like the baby body washes, so I guess if you wanted to give one of those a try, I don't see Johnson's and Johnson, but they actually have a lot of baby lotions here. So, and baby wipes. So, and petroleum jelly. Obviously not. Oh, and the baby oil gel that a lot of people swear by too. So they got that. And baby washes and lotions. Sesame Street. So there's that. And let's see. Now this is in my Dollar Tree where they have like the accessories for your body. So they have like the same sponges here, which we saw this in Big Lots. Don't remember the price, but we did see this in Big Lots. This is by April. Hold on. April Bath and Shower. So we saw this, and then exfoliating washcloth, which these are expensive. And then also microfiber towel. If you have curly hair, natural hair, you know those are like bomb. And then this one I got by mistake one time, and that was too small. So you're probably better off with those kind of shower cups. And then exfoliating bath glove. See, now from here, I would get it. It's just one. So we have these facial mitts, which I've never seen before. And then they have loofahs and eye masks. I got this for my son because he's into skincare. This is a facial brush. And then they have like an egg foot file you can put in the case. This is a charcoal infused body scrub. And another one here too. So there you go, guys. Oh, this is a charcoal infused exfoliating glove. I missed that. Right, so that's what we have here. Now you see the Jergens, and this is actually a 3-pack. Palmolive. Oh, they have soft soap. Lavender. Oh, I'm gonna have to get this. This is coconut extract, so I'm grabbing that myself. Pears, I heard pears is really, really good. I see Yardley oatmeal and almond. They actually have strawberry and coconut. I'm actually going to grab this also because I have a strawberry body butter that I don't have anything to go with it. And then what is this? Oh, they have English lavender. Caress, also if you don't want a big body pack. They have the, okay, so we didn't do that here. Dove sensitive skin. Yardley activated charcoal. We have this huge plant-based charcoal eucalyptus. Yardley again. So I guess if you like Yardley, this is the place to be. and dials, lever. These look like fancy lotions. Sugar soap works, it looks like. And they also have oatmeal lemon. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I definitely remember Tag. So they have Tag Sport here for $1. It says it's new. And they also have it in this one. They have VO5. They have Suave men shampoo. And they also have Zest as well. They have Zest in Fresh Aqua and Ocean. And a ton of power sticks. So I've gotten these before for my husband, but he actually prefers Suave. So for like $1 more, you can grab a Suave. And they have shower fizzies. Same stuff here, microfiber. Next, facial loofah. What is this? Bath brush to get your back. People use this to massage their shampoo into their hair. And similar to like Dr. Teal's, they have avocado oil and recovery soak. Okay, so they have Nouvelle body lotion. And actually they have these powder all day body sprays if you have teenagers. My son is not picky, so he would actually try that too. They have a ton of brand name lip balms. They have Blistex, Vaseline, Chapstick. They have these ices, lip smackers. So you can definitely, and Palmer's right there. So you can definitely find some name brands in the Dollar Tree. Okay, now if you're looking for a bargain in the Dollar Tree, the name brand for the Dollar Tree that they always have a lot of is Bolero. So this is like a facial cleanser. And if you're looking for a glitter face mask, now I don't know if I would put glitter on my face, but they have glitter face mask for $1. And this one is a green tea facial cleanser and face mask combo. Plus they also have watermelon toner, so that sounds really good. And this is rose water if you prefer that. They also have rose water cleansing wipes. And so they seem to have a lot of stuff in here. Cucumber face mask. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, Vapor Bath has shower gel also. This is vanilla brown sugar. Trying to see. So they also have body cream there. What is this? Oh, conditioning, so a deep conditioner. Bath bombs. Oh, look at this. A collagen spa treatment mask. Let me see. Oh, they have more exfoliating, so you can definitely get some hygiene products here. They have those. What is this? Well, if you're looking for a fine fragrance mist, they have melon and cherry blossom, serum, Dollar Tree 7-Up, and some lip gloss. All right, Dollar Tree, I see you. What is this? Oh, this is for men face wipes. My husband actually likes things like that, just to wipe his face. Let's see what's on this side. Now, hold on. Somebody mentioned the Dollar Tree had like some kind of good toothpaste that I'm trying to see if I see it. It's like a 3D, I thought. I don't know if it was Max Fresh. No idea. But obviously, you guys, let me know what your favorite toothpaste from the Dollar Tree is. This is usually what I get from the Dollar Tree, these placards, because they're just $1. But if you're looking for a name brand, they have Close Up instead. And they have these for kids, so that's cool. Yep, they have a lot of those flosses. If you don't like to floss regularly, there you go. If you look at one of my old videos, I did a video on luxury products that you can find in the Dollar Tree. They look luxury. These look like an aromatherapy line from Bath and Body. And they also have Dermacell. And this one looks like Neutrogena. And this right here is huge, especially if you have like eczema. Dermacell seems to be good for that. Okay, so we're in the body wash section. So what I see here is Lever. I see some White Rain. This actually puts me in the mind of OGX. Look at that. I don't know how it smells, but that looks like that. And we have this one, Silkis. Let me know if you guys have ever used any of these before. More of those aromatherapy-like ones. This one looks good. Lavender and vanilla. This looks like soft soap. And we have that in cocoa butter and olive oil. Cherry blossom. So yeah, y'all can definitely do your thing in here. This one looks good. Coconut shea butter. Tropical. Let me know in the comments if you guys have used this before, any of these lines before, so that we can help each other out. Arm & Hammer. Alright, I think that's it. And then, of course, the loofahs, which I replace very often, like every couple weeks. Alright, y'all, so I found like baby powder from Arm & Hammer. You have Power Stick. This is shave gel. Oh, shave gel. I didn't realize what that was. Let me see what else. Pure Silk Coconut. And Barbasol. So that's cool if you're looking for, what's this? Shave cream. Oh, it says compared to EOS shave cream. And as far as the deodorants, they have a ton. Power Stick, Arm & Hammer, Lady Speed Stick. Tag, Power Speed Stick for guys. Razors. And they have better razors too here. This is, let me see what this is. How many blades? I don't see it, but definitely won't cut ya. And mask, shave gel. This looks like a better shave gel. It says compared to Gillette shave gel. We have Tea Tree Daily Cleanser. And also Watermelon Daily Cleanser. We have Foamy Acne Scrub. And Charcoal Acne Scrub. And if you need cleansing cloths, they have that too. And some retinol, detoxifying charcoal, face mask. Oh snap! They have these too, and I just got them from Big Lots. So now I know to come here instead. And they have pomegranate peel and some coconut oil. All right, so now I know how to get. See, you can get those dogs. Creams here. I get this for my husband. See what he thinks about it. But dude, I just paid $1.25. These look like they're supposed to be little Avenos. It doesn't say, but it looks like it should be. And they have these as well. Feminine washes and a ton of shower gels. So we have cinnamon, cranberry, body lotions, or shower gels. So ladies, get your shop on in here. Alright, and I found some hair masks from Bolero too. Mango butter. Let me grab it. A ton of Bolero products. Cocoa butter cleansing wipes. Oh, look at, talk about brand names. We have Cornell's. This is Glow Boost. No idea what that is. But yeah, a ton. Alright guys, so I think that is going to be it for me. So with everything, let me know what you guys find in your local Dollar Tree. as far as for hygiene, what's the best find that you guys have found in your local Dollar Tree? I think the Bolero line is like one of the best lines. A lot of people swear by that. All right, guys. So this is what I hauled today from Target. Let me put the coupon away. And if you guys use Ibotta or Fetch, use those receipts so that you can get rewards and cash back, because I get cash back every time I buy. But the link will be in the description if you want to talk about that. But this is what I hauled today. So if you guys notice, if you watch that Big Lots shop with me, you guys know I got the Dove rose colored one like this and the blue Nivea one. It's Dove. One like this, but I've never seen one for men. So I was definitely excited to see this, and I'm going to give this to my husband so that he can give this one a try and see if that one was worth it. And then we also got soft soap. I actually love soft soap body washes. So this was 2 bars, and this is with real coconut extract. And then we also have this. Now, the only reason why I got this is because it said compared to EOS shave cream, which I have shave cream already, but I wanted to see how this one smelled. It says it's a lavender and jasmine scent. So I kind of wanted to give this one a try just before I actually dive in to EOS, because I like EOS lotions, but the EOS shave gel is a little bit expensive. And I saw that Walmart, if you saw that shop with me for Walmart had a good one there too, which was way cheaper. So, and last but not least, we have Yardley. This is strawberry coconut, and it said new, so that's what attracted me to that. But yeah, that is everything I got today in my Dollar Tree haul. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys.